Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today you're going to learn some of the most common food items in Filipino. These will help you through your stay in the Philippines, especially when you encounter locals. Starting with kanin. This is rice in English. Kanin. 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 May kanin ba? Pa-order po ng isang kanin. Pahingi po ng kanin. Ulam. This could mean dish or main dish. Ulam. 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 May ulam ka? Pahingi ng ulam. Masarap ang ulam mo. The next one is gulay. This means vegetable. Gulay. 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 Gulay ba ang ulam mo? Masarap ang gulay. Ayoko ng gulay. Then, there's karne. This is meat in English. Karne. 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 Karne ang ulam ko. Gusto mo ba ng karne? Ayoko ng karne. The last one is prutas, which is fruit in English. Prutas. 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 Anong prutas yan? Magkano po sa prutas? Maraming prutas sa bahay. These are just some of the most common food items that can be useful during your stay in the country. Now it's time to practice. This is rice. Kanin. Dish or main dish. Ulam. This is vegetable. Gulay. This translates to meat. Karne. This is fruit. Prutas. I hope you find them helpful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.